going to tell you about the pride of India, the world's tallest statue, the Statue of Unity. The statue got its name owing to the fact that the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, is credited with uniting 562 princely states in pre-independent India to build Republic of India. The height of Statue of Unity is more than the twice of Statue of Liberty and is so big that it can be seen from space. Yes, you heard it right. The three-layered structure weighs more than 95,000 tons and can withstand earthquakes and severe wind velocity up to around 100 kilometers per second. The two legs of statue contain two very high-speed elevators which can take up to 26 people at once to viewing gallery at over 500 feet in about 30 seconds, which offers a panoramic view of Sardar Dam with beautiful Vindhya and Satpura mountain ranges on both sides. So what are you waiting for? Plan a trip to this mesmerizing site which houses an exhibition area, a memorial garden, a museum and open-air theatres. The projection mapping German laser show is the major attraction of Statue of Unity, which is conducted through 51 high-resolution projectors fixed at a distance of 600 meters. A trip to Statue of Unity is guaranteed to make one feel proud to be